Good afternoon, children. Let's start economics. Today our topic is Kautilya's views on economics. Kautilya was from the period of Chandragupta Maurya. He has written book on economics, that is Arthashastra. Here, Artha means wealth and wealth means money and Shastra means science. So, Arthashastra means science of acquiring and managing wealth. It means collecting wealth from the people and spending same wealth on people. It means collecting taxes from people and spending that money on the people in such a way so that there is a maximum benefit. Now, the Kautilya's views. There are the various key points based on Kautilya's views. The first point is crucial role of the state or government. Kautilya said Artha Shastra means collecting and managing wealth. Now, who will collecting this wealth? Obviously, government or state will do. So, state or government has a crucial important role in economics. Second point is focus on creation of wealth as the means to ensure welfare of the state. Now, why to collect the wealth? Wealth is to be collected to spend for the welfare of the people, for the state. And who will spend in a welfare? It is to be spent by the government. Now, the third point is need for efficient administrative machinery for good governance. Here, governance means system and machinery means administrative system. It means educated, qualified people should be there to run the administrative system in an effective way. Now, the fourth point is completion of political ideas into Arthashastra. It means whatever the qualities the political leader have, there should be completion of all these ideas in Arthashastra. It means all the ideas should be implemented in Arthashastra. Now, Adam Smith wealth oriented definition of economics. So let's start our wealth definition, which is given by Adam Smith. Adam Smith has only focused on creation of wealth and he said that wealthier the nation is more happier will be the citizen of the nation. Adam Smith defines economics as a science of wealth. The next definition is given by Professor Alfred Marshall. Professor Alfred Marshall has said about economics. What his opinion, why he has criticized Adam Smith definition. Because Adam Smith given too much importance to wealth and Marshall said about welfare. So, he has given definition of economics based on welfare. Adam Smith has given too much importance to wealth, and Alfred Marshall has focused on importance of wealth. According to Alfred Marshall, definition state economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It examines that part of individual and social action which is closely connected with the attainment and use of material. Here, important of wealth means how does that person is using and creating welfare. Here, the role of individual, that means human, is important. So, economy is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. That means what a man is doing. Obviously, he is working to earn money in normal business of life. Do we remember Dr. Manmohan Singh? He was a prime minister and he was a great economist, and he has done a deep study about the role played by human being, and he has tried to change the Indian economy also. So, economics is a study of men in the ordinary business of life. The next is branches of economics. Microeconomics and macroeconomics. These terms are derived from the Greek words, that is, micros and macros respectively. As I said, economics divided into two branches, that is, micro and macroeconomics. Today, I will tell you about micro and macroeconomics. Microeconomics means study of individual economic unit. Thank you very much.